hand. Gates open, they're up and racing. Final countdown draws for your lead. Moving up in between runners, Tala sa umaga to take the lead. Then followed by Starbucks Pansy. Sweet Temper racing in fourth. Then comes Winning Hand. And as they race towards the last 600, Tala sa umaga. This time by about 3 lengths, Starbucks Pansy, Sweet Temper is on the outside, final countdown. Then getting closer now on the outside is Dragon May. Winning Hand is on the outside by the rail, Banay Banay. Pilio also moving up as they turn for home. Sweet Temper moving up on the outside, Dragon May, Winning Hand. Then by the rail once again is entry number 1, final countdown. And down the stretch leading the finish line. Dragon May, this time by about a length, followed by Sweet Temper. And finally, Dragon May. Second, Sweet Temper. Then comes Winning Hand, Pilio, and Banay Banay.
Okay, 49352 ang ating unofficial order of arrival.